Old MacDonald is our first song that uses all our notes in this book. We have quarter notes, we have half notes, and we even have our new note, whole notes. They've even written in the counts here, 2, 3, 4, to help us with counting our new note. Now, if this sounds a little bit like Old MacDonald, it's because it's basically the same song, similar to Mary's Rockin' Pets and Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now, with Old MacDonald and with the song right after it, we are back onto black keys, and that is not an accident. We are taking another moment as we get closer to graduating this book to make sure we can balance on firm fingertips, not our pads, but our fingertips, even when we're up on black keys. Now, we all know at this point that great musicians write before they play, and we are great musicians. So here we go. Let's do some writing. I spy a dynamic marking forte. The song is going to start off loudly. Go ahead and circle your forte. I spy a repeat sign, a bouncy wall. Let's draw a pickle around it. There we go. Got that one in there. So we can see that we have a first verse. Old MacDonald had a song, E-I-E-I-O, and then we're going to bounce back. Played his keyboard all day long, E-I-E-I-O, and we're going to do that second verse. Now, we move on to the next page, and look, we have a change in dynamics. We're going to get soft. That's going to make it interesting. We have black key here, black key there. Then we switch to forte. Here, a black key. There, a black key. In this book, blue boxes usually have information about how to play the song, and this is no exception. Play the first page once again to end. You know what? I'm going to circle that because what important information. So we take this, we go back. Old MacDonald had a song, E-I-E-I-O, and now we know how the song works. To play Old MacDonald, first we have to sort out how to set up our hands. And once again, we're setting up on our fingertips, not our pads, but our fingertips. It's harder, but it works so much better. So here we go. 2, 3, 4 from my raha, my 3 paw print fingers are going to balance on firm fingertips. And then my 2 and 3, my peace sign fingers, are going to balance on firm fingertips. Now you can see I'm not tucking the rest of my fingers away. Everyone gets to just rest, to hang out on the piano. Here we go for playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. Played his keyboard all day long. E-I-E-I-O. 2, 3, 4. Black key here, black key there. Here a black key, there a black key. Old MacDonald had a song, E-I-E-I-O. 2, 3, 4. That's it. Play this on the piano 3 or 4 times a day to really work that balancing on your firm fingertips. You can play and say the finger numbers, you can play and sing the words, or you can even count and play like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. My students love to play and count the beats. Really makes us feel good as we go.